pagsasama-sama na gagawin ulit dito sa Pilipinas. Kami po ay yung hinihingi ng mga tulong galing sa iyo. Mapagdaanan namin ang lahat ng mga hindrances at mga pagsubok sa aming buhay bilang person with disability para kami magtagumpay at maging katuparan ng mga laging hinihingi na sana ang equal na pagtingin ng mga kapwa namin kababayan at Pilipinas ay laging nasa iyong pangalan. Ang lahat ng ito ay iniaalay namin sa iyo, Panginoon. At maraming salamat po sa mga biyaya namin natatanggap araw-araw. Maraming salamat po. At sana po namin matagumpay ang aming pagtitipon dito. Pagpalain po na tayo ng Panginoon Diyos at mabuhay po tayo niya. Amen.
Thank you, maraming salamat po. And halika, itutuloy na namin kasi we are about to open our exhibit sa tuloy na.
Okay, so good afternoon everybody. Today we will be officially having the ribbon cutting ceremonies for the week-long exhibits on arts, products, and services of and for persons with disabilities. So we will be graced in this ribbon cutting ceremony by our dear Acting Executive Director, Ms. Carmen Subiaga of NCAA, Ms. Mona Lavaraya, and Ms. Maite Ortiga. First, to be assisted by Mr. Sally Sanchez and IECD Chief, and Ms. Nelia Jesus, Chief of the Technical Cooperation Division of NCAA. So 1, 2, 3. Yes. Thank you very much. So we're officially open. Okay, so okay na po tayo. Everybody settled. So to officially start again this afternoon of our NDPR Week celebration, we will be having a welcome remarks from, of course, our very dear manager of the Ortigas Group of Companies, Greenhill Shopping Center. Let us all welcome with a warm round of applause, Ms. Mona Lavaraya.
So, Ms. Carmen Maite and the partner organization and the National Working Committee of this 38th NDPR Week who made this event possible. We would like to say good afternoon to all. So we are privileged that the 38th NDPR Week is being celebrated here at Greenhill Shopping Center. Our company, Ortigas & Company, has always been a partner of the National Council on Disability Affairs, formerly known as NCWD. By being a partner of NCWD, we have given a lot of opportunities for the persons with disabilities who has a skill in arts, no? We have given them free precious Changge spaces during Christmas season, no? So the 38th NDPR Week celebration at GSC is one of our continuing service to the society. We hope that through this event, the PWD rights be heard and become stronger. So with this, in behalf of Greenhill Shopping Center and Ortigas & Company, we welcome everyone.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Mona. So at this point in time, we would like also to thank everybody for coming here this afternoon. And of course, we will be forever grateful to the Ortigas Group of Companies for really supporting the celebration and DPR Week celebration. So moving on, we will be having a very special message from our very dear Acting Executive Director of the National Council on Disability Affairs, ang aming walang kupas at napakasipag na Acting Executive Director. Let us all welcome with a warm round of applause Ms. Carmen Reyes Tubiana.
So, good afternoon, everyone. And of course, thank you to the Greenhill Shopping Center, to Ms. Mona Laraya and her team for hosting the 38th MDPR Week celebration. This is indeed a very memorable day for us because we have to look back on who were the first in advocacy on mall accessibility. And at this point, we would like to inform you that Greenhill Shopping Center was the pioneer in mall accessibility in the whole Philippines before SM Supermarket or the SM group of malls. So at this point, it is just right and fitting to really honor all the people, all the advocates who have been promoting accessibility for persons with disabilities in public, for them to fully participate. So, and we would like to recognize especially the Ortigas family through Mrs. Begonia Ortigas and the late Rafael Ortigas for being the pioneer in supporting the livelihood of persons with disability by giving opportunities to sellers with disabilities and groups of PWDs who want to market their products and giving them space right here in this very popular mall. And that we have been very grateful for the Greenhill Shopping Center has been very open to all persons with disabilities and continuously adopting them to be more aware that people are supporting. And right now we already have a group of persons with disability, and they already formed a cooperative right here because they have been selling here for a long time. And NCDA has been supporting these vendors through selling products of persons with disabilities, and persons with disabilities themselves are selling. So with that, we are really very grateful that they have, for years, they have benefited much from the generosity of the Greenhill Shopping Center, which was started by the Ortigas family. So, at this point, we would like to give recognition to Greenhill Shopping Center, Ortigas Group of companies, for pioneering the mall, mall accessibility, thereby encouraging participation of persons with disabilities in our community. And with that, we would like to call out Ms. Mona Laraya and Maite Ortigas to receive the plaque of appreciation from the National Council of Disability Affairs.
Okay. Sige, Ma'am Mona, Ma'am Maite, before we give you this as a simple token of appreciation, I'd like to read first the text, no? Para malaman din nila. So, ganito po ang laman. The National Council of Disability Affairs awards this plaque of appreciation to Ortigas Group of Companies in sincere recognition of its invaluable contribution in unselfish support for the 38th National Disability Prevention and Rehabilitation Week with the theme, Karapatan ng may kapansanan, isa katupad Katuparan nauna. And as a pioneer in advocacy on mall accessibility, nabanggit na po ng ating Executive Director. Given the 17th day of July 2016 at the Green Hills Shopping Center, San Juan City, signed Carmen R. Subiaga, Acting Executive Director ng National Council on Disability Affairs. So, okay, Ma'am Carmen, pakihan mo na, and let's give a round of applause. Thank you very much. Photo ops muna. Kayo yung gusto sumali. Sali na kayo. Dapat kasali. No? Sige, halika. Sige. Oo, halika. Oo, photo ops muna tayo.
So we just go around po kasi hindi pa po tapos yung ating activity. We will still be having our skills demonstration after this. So, pwede po mga ito-sulit-ilis, tingnan lamang po ninyo ang mga products po made by persons with disabilities. And of course, yung activities. Yan. Okay, so maaari po kayo mag-shopping. Sandali naman po mga maaari po kayo bumili ng mga products because we still have some skills demonstration after this. So it's great to know na ating po mga way around para tumingin po ng ating art exhibits and yung mga products made by persons with disabilities. We will have the flower arrangement skills demonstration.
We show everybody there from different countries how creative we were in floral arrangement. So please occupy the first table there. Go na si John Lester. And then of course, let me call him out. Aurora Porras is an engineer. As siya, no? Okay? And he competed for the Philippines in France just last March. Okay? Wow! So he competed for floral arrangement. And they will show both together with our third champion from Pampanga, Ryan from Hayelo. Siyang tumulong sa akin muli ng flowers sa Danwan, plant for his skills. So, this afternoon, these three champions, si Brian competed for the Philippines in Seoul, Korea, both in flower arrangement, at nanalo ko siya bronze medal sa waist reuse. So, bronze medal, lahat po sila napakagaling. So, we would like to tell you, and panoorin niyo po sila kasi makakapunod kayo ng kakaibang skills kasi world class na po sila. So, these three, may description po sa harap nila, are already champions. So, they're dedicating this to the Ortigas family, Greenville Shopping Center, Ma'am Ligonia and Ma'am Gusto po nila ipakita talaga bakit sila champion sa Olympics. So, ganito po mangyayari. Dalawa pong assignments nila. So, starting na ngayon, 1:35, pag-distribute ang tatlong parts ng flowers. Pare-pareho po yan mag-retokal. Dalawang gagawin nila. In 1 hour, okay, wala pa pala. Yan na sila magpipinhan na ganahan nila. And also, we acknowledge those coming from all the way from Tayabas, Quezon. Mga taga-Tayabas, Quezon, to watch out and give her moral support. Saan po yung taga-Tayabas? Yan, kayo talaga natin, di mo? Nakapag-gawa nila sila. Okay. Thank you, friends.
Ilalapit ka
Okay?